I stopped into the Dollar General the other day, and they had a few of these kicking around, and a couple of fantasy planes and that Cessna float plane and a few other things. And this stopped me in my tracks because for a second there I thought it was a Antonov 225, and it's kind of a generic jumbo jet with 6 engines, so it falls into that category of stuff that I normally wouldn't like and would complain about, but I love it. So let's open this thing up. So, I didn't even realize. Apparently this thing comes with a little miniature runway, or you have a cityscape. So both of those are actually kind of cool. So again, it's a fantasy casting. They never made a 6-engined 747, but it's kind of cool, and I like it. So it's sort of the ultimate jumbo jet. It's a 6-2 Airliner. So pretty silly, but also pretty kind of awesome. So there you go. Be on the lookout for that one. It would be awesome if they did this in a Lufthansa livery, or British Airways, or Pan Am, or anything reminiscent of those. That would be quite acceptable as well. Be quite happy. Alright, well, have a good night, everybody.